Really? Oh shit! I didn't realize you sent that one off, baby.
This the beer mug one?
Yeah. Oh, that's the beer mug one.
What? I think she knows she grabbed it.
Hey, no. Everybody. I told him to give it back to Davey. So when he does his fireworks.
Christian, move.
We need to.
Got another rocket.
Here.
You want to grab it?
What?
I want another rocket.
Wait, okay.
Okay. I'll get my color.
No.
Melissa's gonna be pissed.
No, just wait.
Yep.
Wow.
Yeah, she's gonna be mad.
Well, hopefully they have some fireworks at the campground.
Probably. Well, I don't know. They said they were seeing them last night.
Oh, my
What?
daughter is that crazy.
Yeah, it broke. What would you pay for that? Hey, Mom. There's your yard light. I put it on my bottle. Oh. Yeah, there it is. What did you pay for that one? $5. Damn, that was good.
Yeah.
That's $10. I can't believe that was $10. No, Gus. That was $5.
Even better.
The one before was 8.
Wow.
Nice. I recorded it first.
It's like it was morning.
Yeah.
Just threw up that big long one. That's going to doing the cedar cotter one.
Recorded for Alyssa.
Uh-huh.
Hey, grandmother doing the teeter totter.
Okay.
Everybody get out of the way so we can see.
Everybody get out of the way!
Vicky and Marcia can't see.
Can't see.
There it
Yeah,
goes.
I told Mom and Dad.
Out of the way.
That's a teeter totter, hon. Yeah.
Not as good as I thought it would be. It's not as good as I thought it would be.
I thought it was rude, but it's
Yeah, I did too. We've never had the teeter totter before.
Yeah, okay.
don't get up, don't get up.
I'm recording it first.
Okay.
Cool.
Oh, isn't that pretty?
Yeah.
Mindy's recording it for you.
Oh, good. Look at that. Isn't that
Teeter totter.
beautiful? Stop.
That's the
Are you
teeter
doing your
totter
big one
there.
next?
Is it?
Yeah.
You lost the fuse, didn't you?
I had a cigarette somewhere. Might have burned up.
You need a light?
Johnny, he didn't.
What's your name?
That's Johnny. He's the one who had it. Put it inside of him. Yeah. That was cool, Dad. The ending was nice.
I like that.
Mindy recorded it for you.
Yeah.
It's been going non-stop for almost 4 minutes now, so.
Oh, okay.
You got your charger with you.
It's in the car.
Okay. Robbie. Robbie. Come here, Robbie. I'll give you one of mine, honey. One of mine.
Nice.
Nice. I'm not burning the cigarette, so. So whenever you need a cigarette, just holler. I'll give you a cigarette. Okay. I'm out till tomorrow. That's fine, honey. I am not putting that in my pocket. A Rice Krispie treat. Really?
It's kind of cool. All the lights right there are lighting up. Nice.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
What was that? Bryson. Davey. What was that?
Are they okay today?
We can't.
Okay.
Open your eyes.
Davey.
Yeah.
What was that one, hon? That big boom one.
What, David fucking lit?
Oh, David let it? I thought
Yeah.
you did.
I can't hear on my left ear.
Nice.
What was that? I'm glad I had my glasses on. One of them hit my glasses. What was that?
Really?
Yeah, one of them came back and hit me in the
really?
Yeah.
Johnny, you see that dancing around the table?
I'm glad I had my glasses on.
Yeah.
One of them came back and hit me on the lens.
Not good.
What was
Somebody else was trying to do a couple of.
That 1,000-piece
That was Dad's killer streaker.
Oh.
Dad's killer one.
Haha, I'm gonna freak the dogs out later.
Hang on a second, boys.
I had a hard time keeping up.
You're probably right.
It's funny, you can see the glow right on the where those two are standing in there on the camera. You can't see nothing, then it lights up and we see two shadows. Gonna have my drink. I got it.
This is good.
Right there in the chair.
Why'd you come back?
Nice.
We text Billy, tell her to have a good night, and she goes,
Nice.
we're having fun now, she doesn't have to go home.
So then he goes, what the F my son and he'll come back. And I turn around and oh, and go. And he goes, hey, Brady's too. How are things there? Right. So I text him back. I said, well, I will when your son gets back. You would great or teenies.
Mom, the one Dad's getting ready to do is the mental breakdown.
Yeah, you might be bald. That's all right. You still got your head on the edge. That's like a self-made haircut. Wow.
When pigs fly, yeah, they fly off.
Yeah.
That one hit my hand.
Oh my God! What's that?
Yeah, see?
That's one of those balloons. Those like fireworks balloons. They get light and they go in the air and go across.
This is the mental breakdown.
Johnny!
Good job.
What the fuck is that?
My son close to home and everybody will be okay.
Yeah.
It just came close from over that way.
That one landed in mine.
Rained on.
Lagoon, Dad. This one is the blue lagoon.
Yep, my daughter's gonna be pissed. She missed it.
Yeah. You have to show her. Say, look what you missed.
Yep.
Rub it into her face.
Well, I already had to make her go. She didn't want to go.
Oh, didn't she?
No.
Was it a camp?
Yep, with one of her friends. Yep.
Oh, with one of her friends, yeah.
Is that Blue Lagoon right there?
Yeah.
Hey guys, move! David, and Bryson! Hang on, they can't hear you.
That's kind of cool. It looks like a giant flame on the camera.
Huh? If we're always sitting out here on the deck. I don't know.
Well, until Jamie and them get out of the way, don't set any more on. Because Mom can't see it.
Okay.
How do you pronounce that one? Carl?
I have to. Here, you take over. I have to go to the bathroom. It's still recording. I haven't stopped.
Okay.
Boy, that's a long one.
Yeah.
Boy, that was really good, Jamie.
$25 for them.
Yeah.
Nice.
Four of
It
them.
was a 4-pack. For $25.
Wow.
What was that, Susie?
That was the Blue Lagoon.
No, you're not. Pop's gonna sit right there, and you're gonna move right along, and you're gonna get out of Grandpa's chair, okay?
It's all skinny kid out there. All right, somebody else is doing it.
That's somebody across the street.
Like it's Gardner.
Cool.
Looks like it's Gardner's. I don't know. Okay. Oh, yeah. I forgot.
Nice.
Yeah. Nice one.
Yeah, they said we would go here.
Okay. You guys not staying?
Coming back.
We're getting ready to go.
Yeah, thanks for coming back and watching some of the fireworks.
I said, we ain't done yet.
All right.
I wanted to
That must be him.
That's all right.
You shook, didn't you?
A little bit. Yeah.
Yeah, I already got left that, but I can't. Okay, I got three more of these left. Should I do one of those? Huh?
Did you see that guy walk down there?
Ray's got them back here. This is red. Something ready.
Red Lagoon.
What's yours? Red Lagoon.
Yeah.
It's already
David's
out the
mom.
window.
David's doing the
Don't you
waterfall.
know you're not supposed to be on your cell phone when
Billy,
you're on the job?
David's doing the waterfall.
I didn't.
But they gotta move. I can't see it.
Hey guys, got to move.
Okay, everybody up here except for David needs to stay over here.
Be careful, Mom.
Come on, Billy.
I will. I'm going to Albert Lehman soon tomorrow.
Cool. Sit down so Mom can see him. She's the one that spent the money on the damn thing. Yeah? She wants to see it.
Hey!
But she wants to see the ones they're shooting.
They're in the air. How can you not see them?
Oh.
Get our fucking twig. We're fucking
That
here.
one.
Fuck this goddamn place.
Hey,
2 seconds.
Davey, come here.
No, fuck this place. My kids are never coming back here.
Okay. I'm sorry, Marquita. Yeah, Billy? Where you at? You need to get over here and take a chill pill, sister. Yeah, I know, but you don't need to treat it. I know. I have the same people last year with her and that.
John, don't start no shit. Put your fucking shoes on. Jonathan, now.
I'm going to Nevada.
Grandma's not gonna.
Robbie, come here.
Grandma! Grandma, get over here and sit down.
Those two have been wanting to buck up against each other all fucking day.
Grandma.
Kathy, come here. I need to talk to you.
Come on, he's got it.
Grandma, go in that red chair.
I will, William. Don't worry about it, okay?
I know, but if you want a better view,
I will.
right there. That is a perfect view.
Okay, I will.
Kathy, please come here. Kathy.
Will you sit down too, Mama?
Here, how much you?
Come here, please. I need to talk to you, please.
That's all I'll take that.
Yeah, a little bit.
Sorry, sis.
The other guy has no patience whatsoever. You got more? Huh?
Oh, okay. Okay. Put that in there.
Oh, yeah, I know it.
Huh.
I'm sorry, but that's what happened. Are you okay, Billy?
I've been with worse men than him. I know. Yeah, but this isn't every year. But this is the thing. I'm tired of it. There ain't gonna be no more 4th of July parties. And I just walked up and let him yell at me.
Where are you, Robbie?
In the house. In the house.
Oh, nice.
John's in there talking to him. Probably in there kissing ass.
Probably the worst person in the
Oh,
world.
well, hell,
I'll
you're
be
the
the
better
asshole.
person as
What's
far as
wrong?
I'm concerned.
Well, Davey's having an attitude because I got a new
Here.
face and yelled at him.
Talk to your mom.
Hello, Bubba.
Yeah, he's a
Oh, yeah. Who's your grandpa? It's grandpa.
And I'm telling you, it takes Marquise, the baby's away from Marquise and Johnny, but I'm not going to let him ruin it. It's your fireworks, Mom. You're the one that spent the money on it.
They'll just have to go down there and say,
There's a competition over
what,
there.
honey? Yeah, that's Daisy. Yeah, that's Daisy. That's who? That's Nancy Daisy.
I got it.
You
Her
got
son
it?
goes down.
I just feel like I got the little ones on, huh?
Next year we're going to go to Colorado. Get some real
Seaweed.
Seaweed?
Yep.
Can you walk that up on?
Not sure. I'm a good one for the camera.
Huh? You got me.
Me? Pretty drunk right now. I'm glad we take Drabble home.
Well, you know, he's been wanting to pick a fight with somebody all day.
Hey, Christian, what you doing, bud?
William. Just don't worry about it, okay?
No, he's over
Oh,
here
right.
talking to Grandma.
Pretty drunk right about now.
I said,
Pretty drunk right about
yelling
now.
at each other. I said, I don't care if we yelling at each other, but I'm happy that my grandma's having fun.
He's been wanting to do
No
that
4th
all
of
day.
July.
Johnny said she was
I know it was. I just saw it.
Epstein and the video would have been done over with like 10 minutes ago.
Yeah.
Do what, honey?
Okay.
No maid would have been done 10 minutes ago.
Grandma, why are you standing up?
I think her head.
Huh?
I think her head.
Oh, yeah, I never thought of that.
This is gonna be mad, huh?
Who?
Lessa.
Oh, yeah.
Don't worry about it. You get out of
Can you
here.
go get me one more,
You
Don't
said?
worry about it.
dude? When you finish your cigarette.
Alright.
Nice.
Did you do that long one yet?
What?
Long one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is that it?
Where they shoot out different colors.
Yeah.
That long one like this with so many shots?
Yeah, the rocket? Yeah.
David, did you do the one that says, protect the audience?
Yeah.
Oh, did you? Oh.
So far we got 20 minutes of non-stop.
Nice. Camera doesn't quite pick up all the colors.
No, it don't. I don't pick them all up.
Yeah, Johnny had that pointed the opposite direction of what they said.
Yeah, you had it standing straight up.
Yeah. Which I think is a real good idea. I couldn't see them some of it out.
Well, no, I don't either.
Oh, very good.
Yeah, you're gonna have to climb a tree, man.
All gone.
Is that it?
Oh, that's just not one.
Huh?
Right here.
You got more going on, do you? We've had 21 minutes straight. Yep, I've been recording the whole time.
Have you really?
Yep.
Nice.
Man, buck up against mom. She'll take you on, dude. She'll take you on.
Oh,
I tell you what, man. I tell you what, man. Buck up against mom. She'll take you on, dude.
Right, I will.
Fight you.
She'll fight you. Yeah, I will.
I would save that.
Ask anybody here. I'll fight anybody.
You got them all around
I
you
don't
this year,
care.
Johnny.
What?
Fireworks. Some over there,
Yeah.
some over there.
No, they don't do it.
They don't do it.
Nope.
Did Bryson light off his buckle guns?
No, we still have some.
Oh, let's light them off.
They'd be outdone by now if they were.
Oh, shit.
They'd suck by now.
Yes, I am short, and if I fucking can't see them, I'll let you know.
Hey, dynamite comes in small packages.
That's right. That's right. Come on, we're going to have a lot of cleaning to do.
That's right, yep.
Like my mother always said, I'm a fighter, not a lover.
You know how Grandma was?
So my mom always said, if someone started a fight and we didn't come home on the winning end, we were in trouble.
Yeah. We got the hell beat out of us.
Yep.
Burger, find the equalizer.
Yep. If you didn't, I wouldn't want to go home.
They say is that a lamp, a skillet, anything will work. That's what I used to tell a friend of mine.
I'm a fighter and a lover.
Her husband used to be like and I said,
Went over that way.
he's skinnier than you.
I went over the bar.
Find you a fucking
That is not beer, that is
an
Mountain Dew.
inhaler, a chair, anything will work.
Yeah.
Quite the fucking difference there. That is quite the difference. That was not beer, that was Mountain Dew. You got to stand on your hands for 5 minutes.
You gonna get me a drink?
Oh, yeah.
What do you want me to do with this lantern?
Don't put it next to
Davey?
I'll grab it.
Davey, you gotta make sure you get in the tree.
Done yet.
Last year they almost set the tree on fire.
Not good.
Doing this one over here that they're going to do. They almost set this tree on fire.
Not good.
And my nephew had to climb the tree just to
No, it's Bryson's
get to it.
fireworks.
Oh shit.
Oh yeah, we got Bryson's.
Camera's still rolling. We got 23 minutes now.
Okay. She's taping it.
Yep.
How long do we have?
Oh, we've been going 23, almost 24 minutes now.
I'm glad they did.
Me too.
Is it recording our voice? Yep, it's recording everything.
It's like this is a firework.
I know you did.
Then it
Yeah.
Hot out here.
Johnny,
it's like a hand.
What?
I've been drinking tonight.
Have you?
Yes.
It's about fucking time.
Hey, Johnny.
Mary Ann drink? No way.
She drinks
My card lemonade.
I've had more to drink tonight than I have in the last 2 years combined.
Yeah, I don't drink very often, but when I do, my brothers like it.
Your mom did.
I thought I had to.
I'm sitting here.
I was letting that
What's
baby
up?
but it didn't.
You get it?
I was like,
Yeah,
I wouldn't know.
There's a whole bunch
Mom
of
ate
different
that.
kinds in there.
I wouldn't know.
At this point, they're all going down.
I love you.
Because David got me the
What'd you think of my fireworks?
variety packs.
I loved it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Them 4
First
packs,
wedding.
the last 4.
What do I got?
Those are mine.
I think I got a lemon. Oh, here's the raspberry one.
Those killer things.
Red things, you know? Red. That's mine.
Usually it's Amy who's getting me going. Amy? Amy Myers?
Oh yeah.
She's a lightweight, so if I go drinking with her, she'll have like 2 or 3 beers and she's lit, and I'll come out of the bathroom and have like 6, 7 shots. I'm like, what? Are you kidding me? Huh?
That'd be me, you and I, you know.
Put my furnace in.
Always like, I like Rumplemint's.
Shots, yeah.
Rumplemint's is mine.
We have one in
I know, the phone camera don't pick up as good.
Basement, yeah.
Where you going, little man?
No.
Give your mama.
He must have went.
He
He must have went to that one thing that William went to with the
Oh.
shirts.
outside of the house.
Well, Christian didn't go.
Oh, he didn't.